It is a scene of cells of Evans, and Stephen was arranging the furniture in the cell of Evans for the examination. And he is also taking a very minute observation in the cell of Evans. Everything, either it is a picture or any other thing, okay, are being removed from the cell of Evans. Now, page number 75. Evans asked Mr. Stephen that a father is coming in my cell for the invigilation of exam. I tell you who is going to listen to in lady. Lady means boy. Now, Jackson tells Evans that and I would be fixed on you during the examination. Boy, it is the governor himself. See, it means governor is taking personal interest in conducting of your examination. Yes, governor is taking personal interest in conducting of your examination. He don't trust you a bloody angel, because the governor does not trust on you. Okay, nor do I. Neither governor nor I trust on you. I will be watching you like a hawk. Now we will fix our eyes on you like a hawk. Hawk कहते हैं गिद्ध को. गिद्ध या बाज. हमारी निगाहें तुम पर बाज की भांति फिक्स रहेंगी. Evans, so keep your nose clean. So Evans, please be careful. Don't do any wrong work. Clear? He walked towards the door. Now Jackson went towards the door. Evans nodded. Okay, he responded. He had already thought of that. Evans had already thought what he would do. Evans had already thought what he would do. Evans पहले ही सोच चुका था उसे क्या करना है. Okay. And number 2 handkerchief was lying ready on the bunk. And number 2 things. Number 2 handkerchief, you know, rumal. A hanky was lying on the bunk of Evans. Evans के bunk पर एक रुमाल भी, एक hanky भी पड़ा हुआ था. A nearly folded square of white linen. Yeah, it was folded. Hanky was folded, lying on the bunk. It was of white in color. Completely white नहीं था. It was of white in color. तो the cream color का उसका hanky था. Just one more thing. Einstein, I want to tell you one more thing. Yeah, what is that? What do you want to say? क्या कहना है अब? Good luck, old son. Good luck to you, Evans. Good luck, old boy. In the little lodge just inside the prison's main gates. Now, a very beautiful scene is here. Okay? In the lodge, just inside the prison के बिल्कुल ठीक अंदर एक मेन गेट्स है. Okay, on the main gates of the prison, the Reverend S. McLeary signed his name neatly in the visitor's book. There is a visitor book on the table just at the entrance of the prison gate. And Mr. McLeary was filling something in that notebook and was signing also. McLeary आ रहा है ना एग्जाम लेने के लिए, तो जेल के मेन गेट पर पहुंच जाता है. वहां विजिटर बुक है, वहां विजिटर नोटबुक है. एंड ही जस्ट फिल्स ऑल द पर्टिकुलर्स एंड साइन ऑन इट, और उस पर साइन कर देता है. यस. And Hence, walk side by side with the silent prison officers across the exercise yard. Now I tell you one thing. First of all, that is the prison gate. It is the prison gate. Okay, and this area is known as exercise guard. Okay, then it is D wing. Okay, then recreational block. It is recreational block. Recreational block. And here is the cell of Evans. Okay, Evans cells comes at last. Okay, first of all, prison gate, it is exercise yard, then D wing, then recreational block, then comes Evans cell. Getting or not? Chaliye. Then to D wing, where he was greeted by Jackson. And in D wing, McLeary was welcomed by Jackson. Jackson is the in charge of D wing. Okay, here was standing Jackson, and Jackson welcomed McLeary, the father of the church. यहाँ आकर जैक्सन मैकलेरी का वेलकम करता है. Where he, okay, the wing is heavily, outer door was unlocked. Here in the D wing there was a heavy gate, heavy door. Okay, it gets unlocked, it gets opened on the arrival of मैकलेरी. जब मैकलेरी आता है तो ये गेट खुल जाता है, गेट के अंदर मैकलेरी एंटर करते हैं और यहाँ पर खड़ा हुआ जैक्सन मैकलेरी का वेलकम करते हैं. Then locked behind them as McLeary entered D wing, the gate behind him gets locked. जब मैकलेरी अंदर आते हैं, दरवाजा खुलता है, मैकलेरी अंदर आते हैं और दरवाजा उनके पीछे बंद हो जाता है. Okay, then there heavy inner door, the same under. Here also the a very heavy door. यहाँ पे बहुत heavy door बना हुआ है, लोहे का दरवाजा, लोहे का गेट बना हुआ है. And McLeary was handed into Stephen's keeping, and now McLeary gets handed over to Stephen's. अब जैक्सन जैसा जैक्सन हैंडेड ओवर मैकलेरी टू स्टीफन. अब जैक्सन मैकलेरी को स्टीफन के हवाले कर देता है, उसको सौंप देता है. स्टीफन कीपिंग द सेम. ओके, गेट द रेजर मर्मर्ड जैक्सन. जैक्सन आस्क्ड स्टीफन, हैव यू गॉट द रेजर फ्रॉम इवांसन? क्या तुमने इवान से लेजर ले लिया? स्टीफन नॉडेड, यस ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टेकन. ले लिया सर. वेल, कीप योर आईज स्किन्ड क्लियर, नाउ कीप योर आईज ओपन. जैक्सन टोल्ड स्टीफन टू कीप हिज आईज ओपन एंड फिक्स इट एट इवांस. अपना ही खुली रखना और इवांस पर लगाए रखना. क्लियर? स्टीफन नॉडेड अगेन, ओके सर. And McLeary, his feet clanging up the iron stairs. There were the iron stairs, and when McLeary climbed up, okay, on the iron steps or iron steps, now there was the ringing of the metal. जब हम लोहे की सीढ़ी पर चढ़ते हैं, आयरन स्टेप्स पर चढ़ेंगे तो क्या होगा? जब पैर में चढ़ेंगे तो आवाज आएगी. Followed his new guide. Now the new guide means Stephen. Stephen was with McLeary and finally stood before a cell door, and at last both of them stood at the cell door of Evans. यहाँ तक पहुंचते पहुंचते वो लोग इवांस की सेल तक पहुंच जाते हैं। ओके, वेयर स्टीफन ओपन द पीप होल। नाउ स्टीफन, हेलो, नाउ स्टीफन ओपन द पीप होल। पीप होल एक इस तरीके से बना हुआ होता है, गोल गोल। नाउ ही जस्ट पीप, स्टीफन पीप्ड थ्रू दैट होल इन द सेल ऑफ इवांस। स्टीफन उस होल से सेल के अंदर झांकता है। That's him, sir. Sir, that is your candidate. That is your student. वो आपका स्टूडेंट है। Evans, facing the door, sat quietly at the farther of the two tables. Evans was sitting. Evans was sitting. Okay, and his face was towards the door of his cell. उसका चेहरा कहाँ था? बिल्कुल अपनी सेल के बिल्कुल सामने था। Evans sitting on the chair was facing the door of his cell. Okay, sat quietly. He was sitting very quietly at the farther end, at the remote end of two tables. टू टेबल्स के बीच में जितनी दूरी थी उसी दूरी पर इवांस बैठा हुआ था। His whole attention revived to a textbook of elementary German grammar. He was completely lost. He was completely lost in reading the elementary German grammar. He was completely lost in learning the German grammar book. As you do in your examination. Okay, before the examination, when you are in the class, you just study or just read finally to your notebook for giving your best in the examination. करते हैं आप लोग ऐसा कि क्लास में टीचर के आने से पहले आप लोग क्या करते हैं? अपनी बुक खोलकर बैठ जाते हैं और पढ़ते रहते हैं। The same thing was being done by Evans. He was also taking the final look of German grammar. Stephen took the key from its ring. Okay, Stephen took the key. उसने की निकाली उसके रिंग में से, and the cell lock sprang back to the third. And once again, the cell of the Evans got locked. The sound of thud. जोर की आवाज के साथ दरवाजा अपने आप बंद हो जाता है। It was a metallic clang. It was a sound of metal. जब आप लोहे की चीज पर कुछ प्रेशर से करेंगे तो लोहे की आवाज आती है। When you hear the ringing of bell, जब आप बेल की रिंग की आवाज सुनते हैं तो क्या होता है? उसकी जो वाइब्रेशन होती है मेटल की चारों तरफ एयर में फैल जाती है। And you hear the vibration of bell. It was 9:10 AM. क्या समय हो गया है? 9:10 हो चुके हैं। When the governor switched on the receiver. Now governor switched on the receiver of his office. Governor switched on the receiver of his office. गवर्नर के ऑफिस में एक रिसीवर रखा हुआ है, वो उसका स्विच ऑन कर देता है to listen the conversation of father and Evans. इवांस और फादर की कन्वर्सेशन को सुनने के लिए वो अपना स्विच ऑन कर देता है। He had instructed Jackson to tell Evans of the temporary little precaution. He had instructed Jackson. Governor gave some instruction to Jackson. Governor gave some instructions to Jackson to tell Evans. गवर्नर जैक्सन को इवांस को बताने के लिए कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है। Of the temporary little precaution that he has to take, simple precautions, little precautions. That was only fair, that will be the good for Evans. तो इवांस के लिए अच्छा रहेगा। Governor told Jackson to tell Evans to have some precautions. That precautions will be good for Evans. as if Evans would not spot it. But actually, there was a transmitter. There was a transmitter which was fitted in the cell of Evans. And through that transmitter, governor listens the whole conversation of Evans with McCreary in his office. With the help of that transmitter, governor listens the conversation of Evans and father in his office. उस ट्रांसमीटर की सहायता से गवर्नर इवांस और फादर के बीच में होने वाले वार्तालाप को अपने ऑफिस में सुनता है. So you can see that governor is very smart. Governor is very smart in making all the arrangements. Yes, but was not it a bit theatrical? But it was not going to be theatrical. It was not going to be drama. ये ड्रामा के तरह का एक कोई ड्रामा होने नहीं जा रहा था. It was a simple the conduction of exam. It was the simple conduction of exam for Evans. School boys almost. How on earth was Evans going to try another on today? Can Evans take a more chance or one more chance to run away from my prison? क्या इवांस मेरी जेल से भागने के लिए और कोई चांस ले सकता है? If he was so anxious to make another break, if Evans is so much eager, is Evans so much eager to run away from my jail, from my prison? क्या वो चांस लेना चाहेगा? Why in heaven's name had not he tried it from the recreational block? I think that there is a heavy arrangement. There is a heavy arrangement for the conduction of exam for Evans. First of all, cell of Evans, then recreational block, then debriefing, then exercise yard. Okay, so there was a heavy precautions. Okay, taken by governor. Much easier, but he had not. It will be quite easier, or not. It may be quite easier for Evans to run away, but I think that Evans will not have any chance. Evans will not have any chance to run away from my cell. Evans शायद मेरी जेल से भागने के लिए कोई चांस, कोई मौका नहीं लेगा. Okay, then he was now sitting in a locked cell. Evans at present is sitting in a locked cell. Evans इस समय अपनी बंद सेल के अंदर बैठा हुआ है. All the prison officers on the alert, and all the prison officers are alert for his duty. सभी prison officers अपनी जो ड्यूटी पर तैनात हैं, सारे अलर्ट हैं, केयरफुल हैं, चौकन्ने हैं. Two more locked doors between his cell. उसकी सेल के बीच में दो हैवी ब्लॉक हैं. उसकी सेल में और एक्सरसाइज यार्ड के बीच में दो हैवी ब्लॉक हैं, रिक्रिएशन ब्लॉक और डी विंग. Two locked doors between his cell and the yard, and a yard with the wall, and there is a big wall in the yard. इस यार्ड के अंदर एक बड़ी सी दीवार भी है. ओके, एज अ हेयर स्टेक, और उसका वहां पर भूसा लगा हुआ है ऊंचाई तक. ओके, एंड Evans would not be able to take the jump on his stack. वहां जो भूसे के ढेर लगे हुए हैं, भूसे में इतना नहीं होता कि Evans उस पर चढ़कर, उस पर कूदकर वहां से दीवार जंप कर जाएगा. Yes, Evans was safe as houses. Now Evans is quite safe in my prison. as a boy is safe at home. इवांस मेरी जेल में उसी प्रकार आराम से है, सुरक्षित है, जैसे कि बच्चा अपने घर के अंदर होता है. Anyway, it would not be any trouble to all to have receiver turned on for the next couple of hours or so. Now governor is thinking. He's thinking that it would not be any problem, it would not be any trouble to keep the phone on. It would not be any trouble to keep the phone on for next 2 hours. अगले 2 घंटे के लिए रिसीवर को ऑन रखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. ओके, इट वाज नॉट एज इफ देयर वाज गोइंग टू बी एनीथिंग टू लिसन टू, एंड एक्चुअली देयर विल बी नो इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर, there will be no important matter which will be discussed. There will be no important matter which will be discussed between Evans and father. और फादर और इवांस के बीच में ऐसा कोई भी मैटर नहीं होगा इंपॉर्टेंट जो कि उनके बीच डिस्कस किया जाएगा. So among other things, an invigilator duty was to be ensured. Among all the precautions, the duty of invigilator has also been fixed. सभी प्रिकॉशन के बीच में इन्विजिलेटर की ड्यूटी भी फिक्स कर दी गई है. एंड इन्विजिलेटर इज इन द सेल ऑफ इवांस, और इन्विजिलेटर कहाँ है? वो इवांस की सेल में है. That the strictest silence was observed, and there was the pin drop silence. There was the pin drop silence in the cell of Evans. Evans की सेल में बिल्कुल निर्जीव सी शांति है. But still the little nagging doubt. But still in the mind of governor there was a constant problem, constant doubt. अभी भी गवर्नर के दिमाग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम, कुछ शक चल रहा था. Might Evans try to take advantage of McCleary? Might be possible that Evans can have the advantage of McCleary. क्या पता इवांस मैक्लेरी जो फादर है उनका कोई लाभ उठा सके, ना कोई एडवांटेज उठा सके. Get him to smuggle in a chisel or two or a rope ladder, और शायद might be possible that Evans would have told father to bring some important things with him which are important to break the jail. हो सकता है इवांस ने फादर को शायद पहले से ही बता दिया होगा कि तुम्हें क्या क्या चीजें लेके आनी है जो जेल से भागने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. Getting or not? चलिए, जैसे कि चीजल, छेनी, और रोप, रस्सी, लेडर या कोई सीढ़ी. द गवर्नर सेट अप शार्पली. नाउ गवर्नर stood up sharply, violently. It was all very well getting rid of any potential weapons. Now governor thinks that it would be very good. It would be very good if any potential weapon will be taken from the invigilation. गवर्नर सोचता है अच्छा रहेगा कि तलाशी हो जाए और जो भी वेपन्स, जो भी चीजें होगी फादर के पास उसकी चेकिंग कर ली जाए. That Evans could have used, जिसे इवांस इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. Might be possible that father has brought something with him in his suitcase. Okay, and these things may be useful for Evans to run away, and Evans can use it to kill father. Okay, so governor is thinking that the suitcase should be searched by someone. Suitcase of father. should be searched by someone. किसी ना किसी को फादर के सूटकेस की तलाशी कर लेनी चाहिए. But what about McCleary? देखिए मैकलेरी के बारे में क्या? What if quite unwittingly, ये तो मैं बड़ी बेकार की बात कर रहा हूं, the innocent McCleary had bought in something himself. आगे ना, might be possible that McCleary had brought something with him in his suitcase. नींद आ रही है आपको? हेलो? Might be possible that McCleary had brought something in his bag. A jackknife,